Liam Lawson. Sounds like he's going to be the one getting that second Red Bull seat. That obviously comes after the news that Sergio Perez is gone, out, whatever you want to call it. He's not going to be driving for them anymore, at least in the Red Bull team. Apparently, he's going to be a part of the whatever. Who cares? That's not the point of this. So I want to comment down below. Tell me, do you think Liam Lawson deserves a seat, or are you a Yuki Tsunoda fan? And personally, I would almost rather go with Liam Lawson. They both been with the team since 2019 on the Red Bull Juniors or Red Bull Junior team. So they've been around the organization the same amount of time. And I don't know. Personally, I don't think Yuki Tsunoda could handle that seat. Whether that sounds rude or whatever, you gotta say the amount of times he's been swearing and just the little blowups he has in the sister team, and whether that's frustration of not having the faster car or not having the chances he believes he should have. Whatever. I don't know. So comment down below, you guys tell me. Do you believe Liam Lawson should have that seat? Or do you believe Yuki Tsunoda should have the second seat? And we all know it's cursed. I mean, like how many people, Albon, Gasly, obviously Checo, he's been there for longer than most, but even then, not exactly a stellar time there. Especially this year, how many Q1s he got kicked out, or Q2s I didn't make too. It's kind of one of those things that, like, you got to know going into this seat or going into this year that seat two is a seat two. It's not a McLaren. Oh, we have 2-1 drivers. It's not a Ferrari. We'll see where they fall. This is a Max Verstappen is going to be number one. Liam Lawson, or whoever gets it, probably Liam Lawson though, is going to be driver number two. You are not going to be the number one strategy. You are not going to be the person that they build the car for or around. Unless something massive happens in races where, who knows, Verstappen DNFs or DQs out of a qualifying session and you qualify up front, you are not going to get the strategy advantage. You are not going to be the number one guy. And more than likely, you're not going to be the person that they prioritize for wins. If it's 1-2, more than likely they're going to swap you around because, Verstappen's probably going to be the one to have more points at the end of the year, the better chance to be the title winner. And, well, that's just how the world works. But, so, like I said, comment down below. Tell me what you think. Do you believe that Liam Lawson is going to get the ride? Do you think he deserves it? Or do you think Yuki Tsunoda or somebody else, Pinto? Or do you think Sergio Perez should have held on to it? I don't know. Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.